What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode here on the No Idea YouTube channel. This weekend is Labor Day weekend and we're gonna have some fun. Let's see here. We're gonna do some fishing. We're gonna do some mountain bike racing, and we're gonna go out and put up some trail cameras and move a deer stand and get ready for the bow season that's just around the corner here in Wisconsin. So that's all you gotta say. All right, here we go.
No idea.
All right, it's morning, and my son's got pre-ride at 12:30 today up in Telemark. So we decided let's get up and let's go fish. Because why not? It's Labor Day weekend, and he's down here getting Grandma and Grandpa's pontoon already. It's cold, dude. I think so. I think it's really cold. I suppose you're driving, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yo. Look at the steam on the lake coming off. What are we gonna try to get? Everything. Okay. Fish on. What do we got? Oh, look at that. Nice job, bud. Heck yeah. Oh, smallmouth. Show everybody what a Wisconsin smallmouth looks like. It's kind of small, but it's awesome. Alright, good job. Going with the always solid Racky rig. God, these are so fun. Because Aiden Anderson's not here, we don't have to worry about somebody bouncing baits off of people's docks and boats. What's that? And stealing your baits. Wacky rig is on. Here we go. That's some good casting right there, boy. Cast like your old man. Ooh, here we go. Got him. Ooh, yep. Got him. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Boom. Boom, boom. Yeah. Felt that boy take it just like, look at that. Look at him. That's a nice one right there. That's a sweet one. Look at that. Whoa. He nailed that one. Felt him just like with that wacky rig. You should put one on.
I caught the largest ones.
That's very sweet. That's really sweet, dude. Nice job. Did you see that? Oh.
I think that's your last cast.
That's my last cast. I love wacky rigs because I love them because you just kind of pop it. Just kind of bounce it off the bottom and then you feel them grab it and just chomp on it. It's so cool. That was cool. Now we're gonna run in and run into town, grab some energy stuff for his pre-ride and his mountain bike race. Yeah, head up to Telemark. Pick up some energy.
We're gonna pick up a brand new bike.
Yeah, right. And explain to mom. I like that how this works. Pretty sweet. Did you ever try
One of these for your bike. Actually, had it.
Favorite is the vanilla bean, salted caramel, and coffee. New espresso. Let's grab a couple. Thank you. Have a good one. Thanks. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. All right, so we're here, all set up. We're putting up the window coverings, opening up. Aiden's getting ready to do his, what are you doing? Pre-ride.
Remember the good time we had sitting in that really strong girls?
This guy. Oh, cool. What crunchy tunes are you listening to?
Tunes.
To get you stoked. Keys schmooze. Crush it. Gonna crush it. So there you go. This is Mass Chaos. They figure over 1,000 riders from all across the state, high school and middle school. This is pretty cool. Big festival. Pretty awesome if you ask me. Wish I had this when I was in high school. Okay, so what they're gonna do is they go off in groups based on middle school, varsity, JV. So he's gonna start here. Start here in a couple minutes. It's hot. We're at the beautiful start of the American Birkebeiner. It's changed a lot since I last raced it. That's for dang sure. It's pretty cool. Look at all the teams represented from all of Wisconsin. Madison, Marshfield, La Crosse, Eau Claire, Green Bay, New Berlin, Hayward, New Richmond. Jeez, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Time for some dinner. Tonight, dinner, we're doing steak and what else are we gonna do? We're gonna do some potatoes. That's pretty darn perfect right there. We're whining and dining, aren't we? Is it good? Yum. Thanks, Dad. That was really amazing.
Thanks, Dad. That was really good steak.
Do you want more? Sure, because there's a whole half a steak in there. Sure you don't want any more? Dip your potatoes into that juice. There's some more. There's like a couple more potatoes. Oh. For everybody on the YouTube channel. What did you just say?
Best steak ever.
I'm talking about. So he doesn't race until 2 o'clock tomorrow. So I think what we're gonna do, we're in for the night. It's cooled off really nice. We're gonna put on a movie and we're gonna head to bed. So see you in the morning. Good morning, people. Look at this guy. He's ready to race today. Excited? Wave 3, row 4, JV2. Let's do this. That was a good night's sleep. You maybe sleep on the floor, but it was actually pretty nice. It's actually really nice. Made me sleep. So, and he doesn't go off until what time?
1:45.
1:45. And what time's your pre-ride or your warm-up?
I have no clue.
Yeah. So, all right. Well, I'm gonna go get me some coffee, and then we're gonna make some good eggs. Get some good eggs and hash browns. Alright, so here we go. Kick some butt, have some fun. Go get them. Warm up. Go get them, guys. We got 10 minutes before the race. He's really nervous, but he's also really excited. So this is pretty cool. He's racing D1, JV2. Wave 3, these are the dudes that didn't race last year, so they had to start in the rear. Here they come. Look at this. Let's see if we can see Aiden. This guy's flying. Look at this guy go. Nice job. Go, go, go. Go. Hey, there you go. Stay right there. Stay right there. Get behind him. Nice job, bud. Nice job. Go, go, go. Woo! Yeah! Nice job, guys. Nice line. Way to pick the fast line. Go, go. Woohoo! That was pretty sweet. That was pretty sweet. I see. Let's go. Work together, you two. Work together. Let's go. Aiden, let's go. You're about 15 seconds back from your teammate. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go, go. Nice job, bud. Stay on his wheel. Oh, shit. I didn't even see him come through. Dig deep, bud. Dig deep. You're looking good. Catch that pack. Get up there with them. That's nice job. Woo! You guys are looking good. I know you don't feel good, but you're looking good. But you're looking good. You guys are looking good. Let's go, Claire. Let's go, let's go. Nice job. Let's go, Aiden. Let's go. Don't rest on the downhills. Give it. Give it. Stay up with that pack. Let's go. Aiden, let's go. Short double track. Get around these guys. Nice job. Go, go. Push it. Push it. Nice job. Dig in. Good job. Come on, Eau Claire. Let's go, Aiden. Dig deep. Dig deep. Shift and dig deep. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Shift and go. Dig deep. Go, go, go. Go. Go, Aiden. You did awesome.
I know. I hate it.
How do you feel? Good. Look at this guy. 45 minutes. God, you look strong too. That was amazing.
Yeah.
Dude, that was so fun.
It was.
Well, let's why don't you change out, do all that good stuff. We can get moving. Feel good in here? First thing we need to do is we need to get some soda. This guy is a, what are you?
What?
You're a root beer kind of guy. Not a Dr. Pepper. It's got to be root beer.
I used
And
to
what else you got?
Charlie's.
That'll help you get through the afternoon in the woods, right? Interesting kid, that is. Right there. Third kid's always the interesting one.
Wow.
Breakfast of Champions. Well, actually, it's noon. All right, we are here. Let's go set up some cameras, move some stands. Does that sound good? Yeah?
What?
Set up some cameras, move some stands. Okay. Here. So they come funneling right through here. Right here. And they head right out that way. So the bedding area is in the property next door. And they come out through here. So we're going to set up right here. And this will be awesome. I think what I'm going to do is put my saddle stand. Let me get out of the sun here. I'm going to do saddle right there. Dude. Do the saddle right there. What do you think?
Good.
Good.
Said,
Wait, what are you saying? If-
what if it started running at us?
What, a bear?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it won't. The only time black bears run at us is if
Where we have the cub.
there's cubs and we're in between mama bear and the cubs and her cubs. Then they get mad. Okay?
Then what do we do?
Or I've heard black bear. I've heard black bear can get a little aggressive when they're being hunted and chased. So, but Wisconsin black bear, they're a lot more scared of you than they are you of them. I mean, does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, of course it does. All right, let's get the camera set up. Through here. This. Whoops.
Oh.
What?
I thought the 1H55 was the percentage of it, but it's actually 65.
We got a nice dead tree. Look at that tree. Huh.
Oh, it looks like a bear took the bark down. Down. Back up.
Here's the stand. And we're gonna put it right over there. We're gonna try something different. That sound good?
Mm-hmm.
So let's get down, bud. You're not even harnessed. Let's go. You dinky dow? Yes.
Where is the harness?
Dinky dow, my mother used that all the time. I've had this. Look at this.
How do you get it down then?
Come on. Look at how long I've had this. Here.
Oh crap. Year?
About 6 years. So it's time to take it off and move it. All right. I'm sitting on the ground because my stand tipped and pinched my finger. Look at that. It's already black and blue.
Got some.
I'm gonna wrap this up. Oh God, that hurt. That was horrible. I was acting like I was dead.
Hey Audrey. FaceTime me.
So
All right, can you
Think this is good to wrap around
Yeah.
his finger?
here? You take video. All right.
Or-
Look at these little
Oh
scissors.
no, we're wrapping Dad
Yeah,
up.
little scissors. Put this on. Like this.
Dad's a doctor now.
Just call me Doctor.
Dr. Dr. Pastor.
Dr. Pastor Aaron. All right. I got her up for now. That was a long, arduous process. You got her.
That was not successful.
That was not fun. All right. Sometimes hanging tree stands, taking down tree stands, moving tree stands and rehanging them are the hardest parts. Whew. So let's see here. We got the lick branch up, took down a tree stand, moved it, put it up, got busted up doing it. Put up a new camera, figured out where I'm going to put my saddle stand. Now I'm going home. It's hot out.
No idea.
What's up, guys?